Dan Passarelli here. Well, we recently talked about liquidity in trading, and that made me think of something else. And I want to talk about how to use bid-ask size in option trading. So this is kind of, in a way, an extension of a conversation of liquidity. Because, look, if I'm a medium-sized trader, maybe I want to buy a 5 or a 10 lot, but there's only 3 contracts offered at the offer, well, I might not be able to get 10. I might only be able to get 3. So where do you see this data? Well, first of all, take a look here. This is a stock called Block. SQ is the stock symbol. And the markets look reasonably, tight as far as the 10% rule, meaning the offer being 10% higher than the bid. And there's a fair amount of open interest and volume. But I also have the column here for size. This 20x22, that means that there's 20 calls that are on the bid here. So somebody or a group of people are $4.55 bid for 20 of these, and there's 22 on the offer. There's 22 offered at $4.70, and all these corresponding pairs of numbers here, 20 by 16, 27 by 29, 36 by 32, correspond to the bids and offers. Now, that'll give you an idea as to how many you can buy. If I go and I put in an order to buy 20 of these August 11th, this is a historical example here, August 11th calls at $2.90, I might not get filled on all 20 of them. I might only get 3. Now, sometimes the market makers will fill you above and beyond their disseminated size, but sometimes they won't, and you can't count on it. So this is something to always keep an eye on. I keep size in my column all the time. It matters. It's very important. This is Dan Passarelli. Hope that helps. Trade smart.